Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tasty Food Easy. Today I'm going to make a nice and easy hummus. You've got guests coming around, got nothing that you can serve them that surprise you. So this only takes a few minutes. We'll see if we can get it all done in one go. But for this, it's pretty easy. All you need is some canned chickpeas, some tahini, which is just a sesame paste, some lemon, some garlic, some oil, bit of salt and pepper, and I also like to put a little bit of Cummin in mine as well. Let me just grab some Cummin. Just adds to the flavour, it just gives it that nice earthy flavour. So it's all pretty easy. All you got to do is whack your chickpeas into a processor of some sort. We may have to do this in a couple of batches because there may be a few too many chickpeas. Let's do that many first. We'll do some more in a sec. Whack it on, give it a blitz. Now while you're giving it a blitz, just to help break it down a bit, you want half a lemon. Oh, if it doesn't squirt all over you. So whack lemon juice in. We will need to adjust this at the end. Bit of oil to help break it down as well. And we'll put one spoonful of tahini paste into this one, and then some tahini paste into the next one as well. Once we mix this all up. Now tahini paste does settle quite a bit and turns into quite a sticky sort of substance down the bottom. Give it a nice little stir up. Get that oil back through it. Alrighty. That's looking better. And throw a teaspoon into here. Put the lid back on. Let's give this another blitz. Well, sorry about that. Alright, she's looking good. Yep, it's looking good. Pull our first one out. Now you don't want to blitz it up too much, you want some sort of chunks in it as well. So if you get too much blitzed up, then yeah, it turns into like a peanut butter, and you don't want it looking like a peanut butter. Alright, let's get our next one in as well. Same thing, a bit more oil. Bit more lemon juice. Bit more tahini. And let's give that a quick blast. I'll give that a bit more of a blast, I think. No, it's not too bad. There's a couple of full ones in there. We don't really want that. We want them out. There we go, that's better. Alright, we'll loosen this all up in a sec. We've still got a couple more things to put in there. Number one, some more lemon juice. Again, I've gone the slack way and got the pits in it. Now out. And we've got our garlic that we still have to put in as well, which we shall chop up now. Got a nice clove of garlic in it, especially for this much. So, chop. And you want a really fine dice on this one as well. So, seeing it so, it's going to be so fresh. Smelling good. That's smelling real good. Alright, pop that in. A little bit of Cummin. A bit of salt. Nice cracked black pepper. And give it all a stir in. Now if you think it's a little bit tight, which it seems to be, you can whack a little bit more oil in just to loosen it up a little bit. There we go, that's loosened it up a bit. Give it a bit of a taste. Yep, spot on. And there you go. Nice easy hummus. And it takes a few minutes to make. Nice to put into a bowl, all ready for your guests to arrive. A nice and easy hummus. Only takes a few minutes and they'll be really, really impressed with it. Okay, well thanks again for watching Tasty Food Easy, and we'll catch you next time.